Penny. That's a little one actually, a little adventure piglet. It's smaller than the others, eh? Yeah. How are we doing? Yeah. What a good girl. Oh, yeah, that's good Penny. Good Penny. I'm counting 9 babies now. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah. Some nice spotty ones and some nice white ones. Well, I guess they're all spotty, aren't they? What a good girl. What a good Penny. This is such a nice little nest. Yeah, you didn't have them out in the middle of nowhere. I like that. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, I've counted like 3 times and I'm still counting 9. Yeah, you're so good. I should bring you some nice hard-boiled eggs. Would that be a good treat? Would that be an excellent treat for my Penny? So Penny is the most, she's raising her spines, her bristles, so I'm just going to give her some space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 orange ones and 4 black and white ones. So you can see she's made a little nest in there. It's raised on the other side, a little dish shape. And what she does is she stands up and then puts the babies where her body was, which is a warm spot. And then she lays down in a new cold spot, so she warms the spot up for the babies and moves around to keep them warm. Although it's not actually that cold out. It rained pretty hard last night, but stayed dry in here. The ground under here is a little bit damp, but she has enough hay in there that it's fine. I should bring her another bale of hay so that she can keep building her nest, but give it to her just a little bit at a time, because sometimes they get a little over enthusiastic and then they pile too much hay around the babies, and the babies get hidden in the hay and then they get laid on. You can see it's a gray day up here, up in the top field. Some pigs have made themselves a nest in this dry straw, and they're just sleeping. And then in here, let's pick that out. Ugh. It's nap time. It's nap time for everyone. Just a lazy morning. Aren't they cute? Hey, UV. Someone was having a snack. Right now they get extra feed. So that they don't bother Penny. I just leave feed constantly in their bucket. So, I don't think that's going to do well for you. So right now Penny is my most reliable sow. She has nice big litters. She's a good parent. She is a little more aggressive with the other pigs, but you're always either breeding for more aggression or less ability to cope with predators. So right now, you saw she was fine with me scratching her. The dogs are also just lying. Well, Avalou is guarding. He's sitting where he can see everything. Dia's curled up. It's a cool, rainy morning, the kind of morning you want to stay in bed. If you look at the ground here, you can see that the pigs have brought all these tiny rocks to the surface. So I can walk along and just pull off these tiny rocks. And then when I run my rototiller over this field, it'll be safe. That's why I need to pick out all those plastic bits too. There's someone on one of my pig groups that uses pigs to get the rocks out of a field because they do bring them to the surface like that. So you don't have to dig them out. You can just walk along and pick them out. But obviously, whatever was growing there before does not remain. All right. So the babies are doing well. I'm probably going to keep checking them a lot. No one's in here. So now that I got rid of the hooligans and some of the boars are in the barn, it's just a smaller number of pigs. They can fit in those 2 A-frames real nice. I mean, they could fit in the 1 A-frame real nice, except that one of them has babies, and if there were too many others in there, they would crowd the babies. Even the ducks are sleeping. These are straw bales for a straw bale garden. Sleepy ducks. Oh, and I figured out the ducks had stopped laying in the woodshed. So, I figured out where they were laying. Someone has a nest here. And if you look just to the other side of this, someone also has a nest in here, made out of garbage. Oh wow, these things happen. So piglets are safe. I just wanted to grab something from the car, and of course every time I come outside I'm going to be checking on those piglets. Hey mister, what are you doing out here in this terrible weather? It's pretty chill today. Oh, it's a gang of chickens. I don't know where they're laying right now. It'd be good to know where their eggs are going, because when you find an egg 3 months later and it's rotten, it does not make the day better. Oh, we're muddy geese. Okay, so someone is laying there. That's one goose and one duck in there. Oh, yeah. That poor saddleback is the one that was caught in the nest, was being attacked by the other geese. You can see she has some bruising on her. There is, oh dear. There is a chicken back in here. I don't even know if you can see. She's way back in there, her tail. So there are probably some eggs back there somewhere. I'm gonna have to look into that later on. A little girl. You were one of the older ones, aren't you? I mean, she can get out if she wants. Aw, that's silly. There's an egg. All right, well. Hey, geese, geese, geese. And over here, the endings are separated. And there's a broody hen up at the top on the shelf in there. And I have given her some eggs to sit on so that she can hatch them out for me. Also, Mama Emden is in there, being protected by Papa Emden here. Very peaceful day. Oh, my rhubarb is coming up. See the orange there is rhubarb. This is a bigger patch of it. I have some mint coming up. This is the biggest rhubarb. Planted some seeds in the greenhouse the other day. Cilantro, lettuce, peas, the kind of peas that you like snap the tops off to eat. The greens rather than eating the peas. And I raked some of the straw up. I'm getting ready to go there. I'm hoping to get a lot of planting done on the 1st because that's Beltane. That's a good time to plant. Yes, looking for some eggs. Okay, I need to go out and get my stuff from the car. You have a good day, everyone. There'll be more piglet updates for sure.